Hello, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay, in today's experiment, we are just going to study the fish, especially the respiratory organ of the fish. Before us, we have a sample of a fish. You can only use the head if you wish. You can use a whole fish as your sample. Now here, our sample is a whole fish, but we are more interested in the gills, which are found in the head. So the gills are the respiratory organ of a fish. Okay, now in this fish, we are going to examine the gills. This is my mackerel. You know that this fish, where does it live?
In the water.
The habitat is the water. So now the fish takes oxygen from the water and remove carbon dioxide into the water. The rate or the flow of water into the fish is controlled by the mouth, the closing and the opening of the mouth. When the fish wants to take oxygen, the fish will open its mouth in this way, exposing the buccal cavity. Can you see the buccal cavity, how it's exposed?
Yes.
It will take water from the habitat, and water runs into the mouth, and it will flow over the gills. Now, the gills are being protected by the operculum. This is the operculum, or you call it gill cover. Can you see the operculum?
Yes.
The operculum is paired and can be found on either side of the gill of the head or larynx. You find it here too, the operculum. Now, if I want to expose it, I will use my scalpel, but here we are going to be using knife to expose the gills. I will cut a little from the operculum so that I will be able to expose the gills. Now we have exposed the gills. This is where the gaseous exchange takes place, the respiratory organ. Now I can go ahead to extract these gills from the fish. I will cut open. Okay. Okay, now watch. I've exposed the gills. Here is what? The gill filament. This side is the gill filament, and it's so numerous. Can you see it?
Yes.
The gill filament is being housed or held together by the gill arch. This is the gill arch, or you call it gill bar. And these ones here are the gill racas. The gill racas. You already draw it in your book, right? Yes. Now, what is the function of all this? The gill racas prevents food particles from entering inside the food chamber. Gill chamber. From entering into the gill chamber. This is the function. This is the gill racas. Now, when water enters inside the fish, it goes through the gill racas into the gill filament. This is where gaseous exchange takes place. Is that clear? At the gill filament. The function of this gill filament precisely is to increase surface area. Okay, so when you expose the gill filament in the air, the surface area, the gill filament seems to be clumped together. It's not properly exposed, it's not properly sparsed. But when you put it in a water, you will see that, you observe that it spreads out. It spreads out. Can you see it?
Yes.
Increasing the surface area. Increasing the what?
Surface area.
An increase in surface area allows efficient gaseous exchange to take place. Now, can you see?
Yes.
Gill filament, gill arch or gill bar, and gill racas. step. That is it. Thank you for this.